Hi guys, I'm Emma, and this video is going to focus on how to make it on YouTube. Throughout the past decade, people have learned how to make a lot of money by simply starting their own YouTube channel. As a quick example, in 2012, one of YouTube's biggest stars named Ray William Johnson started his own YouTube channel and made an estimated $1 million per year by posting 2 self-made comedy videos per week. Another example is a comedic video game reviewer with the screen name PewDiePie. He is one of YouTube's biggest personalities and in 2016 was earning an estimated $4 million per year. For first-time YouTubers, you simply need to start out by making a YouTube account and creating a basic channel. You won't have any subscribers yet, but this will give you room to customize your channel to your liking before you seek out followers. Now that you've created a channel, you can add a screen name, profile picture, banner, and a channel description to personalize your channel. Once you pick a topic you're passionate about, it's time for you to start creating videos. You'll want to start out by using a decent camera with decent audio to record your videos. The higher quality you use, the better. You should then upload some of your videos to your channel to help get your channel started. Even the average video maker is capable of being as big as these YouTube stars. We want to show you step-by-step how to create and publish a YouTube channel with the best chance of success. After this, you'll want to focus on gaining followers. If you're successful on other social media such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, it could be beneficial to promote your channel on these accounts. If this doesn't apply to you, don't worry about it. We have some other techniques to gain followers that we'll talk about soon. Now we'll have Zach talk about gaining traction on your channel.
And after hearing from Emma on how to create your channel, it's important to cover our next big topic. What kind of content are you going to produce? This is a very open-ended question, and you may already have the answer to it. Maybe you already know what kind of videos you're going to make, and if you do, that's great. If you have no idea what kind of videos you plan on making for your channel, that's okay too. After all, videos are more art than science, and finding inspiration can be tough. With that in mind, here are some tips about what kind of content you, as a user, should create. Step 1. Make videos that involve something you have passion for. Videos that you're passionate about tend to come naturally, and with the added benefit of not becoming stale to you, the creator, because it's something you care about. Step 2. Make videos that focus on something that you're good at. Are you the best student in your statistics class? Are you the highest ranked player in your Smash Bros club? Chances are if you're good at something, other people will want to watch you do it, and they might enjoy watching it even. Step 3. Make videos that condense or explain something better. People like to avoid difficult to digest information or content. Videos are one of the best ways to pack some useful content into a short amount of time, and people will thank you with their viewership. Step 4. Make videos that people will want to watch. Think depth versus breadth. Short breadth versus large depth, or vice versa. Another important thing to understand when publishing YouTube content is your target audience. We've got some example demographic statistics from YouTube here, and they show user numbers by age and gender. These could be helpful when deciding what kind of audience you'll cater to. If your videos would get the attention of men between 18 and 25, you'll likely have a large audience base, for example. These demographics aren't necessarily a restriction as much as a guideline for what your best chances of getting views are. And speaking of views, next we'll talk about some ways to get through the toughest parts of success on YouTube, gaining views. Getting eyes on your videos is the name of the game if your goal is to earn money from your YouTube videos. In theory, getting those views is likely an easy thing to do. In practice, it's easier said than done. With that said, here are a few tips to give your channel the best chance for consistent and new views. Tip number 1, make your output consistent. One of the things you can do well as a content creator is to publish videos on a regular basis. The more the better. Loyal subscribers to your channel will likely appreciate your easy-to-follow video publishing schedule. New viewers that like a video of yours that they stumble upon will also be more inclined to subscribe if they know your next video will be coming out soon. Tip number 2, reach out to recognizable names and see if they can help you. Oftentimes, small channels that get some attention from a larger and more successful channel will see their view and subscriber counts get a huge boost. Even doing a collaboration with another creator of similar subscriber base can give both of your channels a nice boost in viewership. Tip number 3, try cross-posting your videos onto other popular social media sites such as Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, Tumblr, etc. If one of your videos gains traction on another social media site, it's very likely that it will translate to more views on your videos and potentially even more subscribers. Tip number 4, focus your attention and resources on a single hit video. It's common to have a channel blow up because of a single video it publishes. This one video can give massive amounts of attention to a single channel and other previously published videos. This list is by no means all-encompassing, but it is a good place to start if your up-and-running channel is struggling to get those all-important views. We've been talking a lot about views, subscribers, and revenue. It's probably time we break down that connection and show you why views and subscribers means more money in your pocket. YouTube is able to make money from their paid services and from placing ads on certain videos that their website hosts. What that means for you as a creator is a few things. The first thing to understand is that you and your content are YouTube's product. The nice part about that is there will always be some kickback for you when you make successful videos. Essentially, if you give YouTube permission to place ads on your videos, known as monetizing, you're agreeing to a payment plan for your content and the ads that are put on your videos. The ad revenue that goes to you is a function of the number of views that your video receives. So for example, if you have the number of views that you get on a particular video, V, and you divide that by 1,000, because YouTube measures your view count in thousands when deciding how much to pay you in ad revenue. You have this number here, V over 1,000. You also have another part of the function which is known as CPM, or cost per 1,000. And that is essentially a figure that is attached to you as a creator. And they use that figure to multiply by this number here, V over 1,000. And when you multiply those two values together, you get the amount of ad revenue that your video will receive. Another major key for keeping your view count increasing on your videos is having a lot of subscribers. Subscribers are users that specifically request to have your newest videos slapped right into their feed for YouTube. When people subscribe to your channel, it's almost like having a guaranteed view every time you publish a new video. This makes getting the view count on your videos up incredibly easy. Keep these things in mind when you're deciding on how much time you want to spend making videos for your channel or how much you want to cater to your subscriber base when making content. With that being said, there are still some more things you may want to know before you decide to jump into your new channel. Ben has some of those finer points to tell you about.
So, now you want to start monetizing your content. Here are some tips and tricks. The biggest and easiest way to make money is through the YouTube Partner Program. To be eligible, you must have 4,000 watch hours in the last month and 1,000 total subscribers. The program must be available in your country, and your content must comply with the community guidelines. And some of the biggest things to watch out for is posting content that violates copyright, has private information, and is harmful or dangerous. You can look at the official guidelines for a more complete set of rules. So if you meet the requirements, you want to go to your Creator Studio, Channel, Status and Features, and enable monetization. You also want to create an AdSense account, which allows you to earn money from the ads that are displayed on your channel. And then lastly, you want to select the type of ads you want. At this point, you have to wait for someone from YouTube to review your channel and make sure that your content is worthy to be monetized. So let's say you don't want to become a partner, but still want to make money making videos on YouTube. There are certain companies that will pay you to review their product. However, you usually have to have a good sized following for them to sponsor your videos, so it isn't a great way to start off trying to make money. If you have your own resources, you can start your own product line and use that to supplement your income making YouTube videos. If you're doing a gamer-related channel and you have the time to do streaming, you can switch to Twitch and do video game streams. There you can get direct donations from your viewers and get money through ads. It's another way to make money while making video content, but Twitch has a different model than YouTube. You could also do live streams as your specialty, but those aren't as popular on Twitch as gaming-related content. Many companies, Amazon being the biggest, allow you to use affiliate links. With an affiliate link, you'll get a small kickback from a company after a viewer purchases something from their store using your link. Amazon is the most popular affiliate link site, and they'll give you a kickback for anything someone using your link purchases within a 24-hour of them following your link. Patreon is another option for earning income. Many YouTubers that want to get closer with their community will start a Patreon account. This allows followers to donate directly to their favorite YouTuber in exchange for special treatment. This may be access to hidden content, the ability to view videos early, or being featured in a video that their contributions help make possible.
Now that Ben has told you the final pieces on how to generate revenue, we hope that this video is helpful for your journey as a YouTuber.